Hi, welcome. I'm going to show you how to register for UAE Pass in this. This is a machine. You'll find the locations. So once you come here, click UAE Pass. It will ask you for your Emirates ID, and there is a reader here. So put your Emirates ID. After you put your Emirates ID, it will read your card, and then it validates. So what we do is we click start, and then it requires your fingerprint. It plays left index fingerprint on the card machine. This is the card machine, so I'm going to put my left finger. It did not scan, so I'll start scan, and then it says you may remove your finger after 3 seconds. So I've removed, and then it's verifying the so it's loading. It's doing identify verification. This machine is from, I think, MBME. So issuing advanced certificate. Now I would recommend every UAE resident to do this because it will help you a lot of places, because before it was Smart Pass, but now it's UAE Pass. So everybody has to be registered, and due to Corona you might feel a lot of machines are closed, but keep looking the locations and register. It's asking me for UAE password. I'll just put the password. So one of the things you should notice, it's a 6 character, 1 uppercase, 1 lowercase, 1 number, and 1 non-numeric character. So then I'll just click send, and then let's wait for the machine. It takes its own time, so you have to be patient with the machine. Okay, once it says issuing qualified certificate, I think here it's giving me the welcome message. It's giving me the welcome message, and I'm verified.